Welcome to Bunky's Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be making smoked Spanish rice. We'll start this recipe out by smoking tomatoes and onions and garlic at about 275 for 30 minutes. Or you can use them fresh. Either way, this rice turns out perfect every time. Grab your seasonings along with your smoked veggies and 2 cups of chicken broth. Now toss everything into your blender and turn it on high until you have a smooth liquid. Next, add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a medium pot along with 1 cup of rice. On a medium heat, keep the rice moving and stir it around until it's golden brown. Once the rice is done, set your stove on the lowest setting and add your tomato mixture. Make sure it's mixed together really well and put a lid on it for about 20 to 40 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it. Once the rice is done, you can serve it by itself or along with anything you choose. I just so happen to have some smoked and fried Mexican style spare ribs to go along with mine tonight. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up for more.